Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn how we are going to install the SurrealDB on Ubuntu. Let's give it a try. So first of all, we have to open the terminal. So let's open the terminal here. Okay, open it and we have to download this curl. Okay, so here we go with this. Wow, SurrealDB is installing the SurrealDB for the Linux. Okay, it's done. Moving to the next step, this command downloads and install the latest SurrealDB binary to your user local bin Surreal. Verify the location. How we are going to verify this? So first of all, installation, sorry. Location you can verify with this one, right? So let's check the version, the latest one, that is the Surreal command is not found. Okay, so to see the command line options, Surreal help to start in a memory database server, you have to run this one. Okay, and you have to go with the docs. I think the Surreal version is already mentioning installing the Surreal with 2.3.7, and want to learn something, you have to go with the Surreal help. Paste and let's see what will Surreal command is not found. Let's take a look that how we are going to fix this issue. Like to ensure that Surreal is in your path run. Okay, so I think we should go with or move the binary user log with move this one. Okay, let's run this so that we are able to go with that one. Just paste this one and put the password over here. Just hit enter, done. Now I can just write the Surreal version because the linking or the symbol linking is not there, so this will help it to link that one. Copy, paste, run, and here we go with the version. Okay, so this is the version that we have 2.3.7, that is that one. And if I want to connect with my data all in memory database server, I need to just run this one. Okay, Surreal start log. Okay, and here we go with this one. Okay, now I can add the queries and everything. We will going to learn in the next video. So the installation is done. Now we are in the next video, we are going to create tables, database, CRUD operations, many more to go. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.